Hello Ride-On people. I'm shooting this on my new iPhone Pro 12 Max, and I've been through, I think it's 3 iPhones now, an iPhone 10, 2 iPhone 11s that I had mounted to my bike. I've tried multiple mounts and multiple bikes, and sooner or later the camera gets shafted, so I'm not mounting it to my bike anymore. It's the bottom line. I can just keep my phone in my pocket and use connected when I'm riding the BMW for navigation, and I use Beeline on the Ducati for navigation. So just want to chuck that out there because I don't want to make a separate video about that. But yeah, don't recommend it to anybody, but hey, if it's working for you. My friend Jerry's got an iPhone 12, he's done 50,000 miles with it mounted to his GSA, no problem at all, so take that for what it is. Hey you, if you want to become one of the Ride-On people, don't forget to subscribe. Ride often, ride carefully, ride on.